Hello and welcome to Introduction to Health Careers Online, Health 101.61. I am your course instructor, Elizabeth Hayward-Jansen, and I want to welcome each of you to class this semester. As we're getting started in the class, I just wanted to remind everyone that this is a textbook-free version of the course. It's the only class section that doesn't have a textbook, so you're in luck. You don't have to buy the $130 book from the MBS Direct site. I just wanted to give you a brief kind of introduction to the course and sort of poke around a little bit on the website so that everybody becomes familiar with what is expected and where things are hidden. And if you follow with me here, I want everyone to definitely watch the discussion forum tips video. It's only a minute or two long, but it is absolutely exactly what I'm looking for in forum posts. So please take a look at that. And if you notice on the side of your Moodle page, if you see the little 3 lines at the top here, that hides or shows the navigation bar. So I typically keep mine open when I'm navigating through the course. If you are in the Welcome to Introduction to Health Careers section, you can scroll down a little bit and see announcements, the course syllabus, which you need to read and then complete your syllabus acknowledgement form, the course calendar of what's going to be happening each week and the topics, the couple videos from Foundations of Health, so you can make sure you're on the right path, that you're taking the right courses, etc. And then a getting prepared to start video with some tips, the academic calendar, and a community help forum. So let's scroll down to week 1. So week 1, you're going to read the syllabus and complete the syllabus acknowledgement form. And you're going to participate in your first forum, which most of you have done already, which their responses are awesome. Good job. So once you click on the syllabus and kind of poke through the different sections, so the introduction, course description, required materials, none, because everything should be available to you online for free, which is great. And then method of evaluation, all the nuts and bolts of the class is over here under the table of contents. And then when you finish reading through that and feel like you kind of, yes, I get it, or if you have questions, email me for sure. You can scroll down to your syllabus acknowledgement form and just fill it out. Oh, I can't show you because, oh yes, I can. So you would add a submission here. I thought it pulled up my grading format. And you just type simply, I have read and understand the syllabus. That's it. Pretty easy for free points. So let's go back to week 1. There's an article I want you to read that's very short. It just is, healthcare just became the US's largest employer, from The Atlantic, and it's like a 2-page article, super accessible, super simple. And then a PowerPoint presentation, The Healthcare Industry and Your Role, a brief snapshot of important topics in healthcare for individuals kind of new to the industry. And I want you to read through all of the PowerPoints that are included in the course, because some of the information from the PowerPoints and the articles will be on your quizzes. Even though they're not technically involved in the forum posts each week, the information is still important and relevant to the course and to someone seeking a career in healthcare. So you can click on your PowerPoint. It's pretty straightforward, not very text heavy, but in lieu of a whole book chapter, I kind of gave you just the highlights. So you can kind of scroll through. It's, pretty straightforward, I think. Okay, and then as you can see, I've opened up everything until the middle of the semester, until spring break. Next week in week 2 is one of my favorite activities, the reality check. It is super fun. I want you all, though, this week and next week to be also looking at the midterm because that is coming up so quickly. So if you keep scrolling down, you'll notice the midterm documents right here. So the instructions are the Word document right here, Health 101 midterm instructions. Please read through the instructions, and if you're not familiar with informational interviews, I include a PowerPoint that walks you through what it is and how to do one, and then some other optional readings if you're still not really clear about that. And always, please feel free to email me, or we can set up a time to meet on campus or over the phone or something like that, so that you feel confident that you know what's expected. It's an activity that most all students say they've really gained a lot from. And at the end of this last semester, I gave a survey to my students, and I think almost every single student checked that it was a valuable exercise and I should keep it for future courses. So you have former students to thank for keeping it in the course, and I think it's really good. Contacting me, my information is on the side panel of your Moodle page. I try to throw my email all throughout the course so that if you ever have a question, please don't feel afraid to shoot me an email day or night, because I want to be here to support you, especially if this is one of your first online classes that you've taken. The gradebook is not set up properly yet, so don't check out the grade book and think that you're failing the class or anything like that. There were a couple glitches in the grade book that we're trying to kind of sort out so that eventually it will be accurate, but it's not accurate just yet. And then one of the other things I wanted to talk about is forum post expectations. So typically with a forum post, you're going to post before midnight on Wednesdays. That'll be your first forum post, which answers the question that's being asked by me. So that's the most point heavy at 10 possible points for that first post. And then you have 2 follow-up posts that you'll make between Wednesday and Sunday at midnight. So that is responding to 2 classmates, what they've posted. And with such a small class, we only have like 11 or 12 people in the class. It's really important that you all engage with each other on the online forums so that it feels more like a class, that you are connected with your classmates and with me, your instructor. So please, please, please stay on top of your forum posts, because just like the video says up top here, if you're late to the forums, it's like being in a room and you're talking to yourself, but everybody else has already left the room. So trying to be timely with your posts is super, super important. And it'll help your grade a lot too, which is a plus. So I'm very excited you've joined the class. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me, and I'll see you online.